Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's your girl, Sweet the Queen, DIY. So, today, y'all gotta excuse my voice. I'm trying to get it back, okay? You have to excuse my voice. So, today, I'm putting together this wagon that I had got from Amazon a while ago when I got the last. I'm putting together this wagon that I got from Amazon. The box is broken. Of course, it's pink. Um, yeah, so that's what we're doing today. Y'all stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Make sure y'all check out my other videos. I'm gonna try to get some more DIY videos out to y'all. But make sure y'all watch the videos that's already out, okay? Y'all make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. But we about to get into this wagon assembly. So here I'm just basically getting the wagon out of the box, you know, just unboxing it. It was pretty much all the way together. I didn't know what to expect really, but when I took it out the box, it just kind of opened up to the wagon together. There wasn't any instructions in the box, so I just kind of figured it out myself. You know, 4 wheels. These two have a square shape. These two have a circle shape. You know, and this is the handle. I noticed these 4 clips on the side of the wagon. They were red with a metal hook on them. And I just figured they were utility hooks that I could maybe hook something on. Because like I said, there wasn't any instructions. So I just figured they were just utility hooks. Maybe I can hook something on, beach day, something like that. I can hook things onto the wagon. I just figured that's what they're for. The wagon also has pockets in the front, mesh pockets in the front by the handle, which I also thought were helpful and will come in handy one day. Last but not least, the handle just clicked in, and it's an extended handle, for, taller individuals or shorter individuals, or a child can pull it, or an adult can pull it. It's a nice wagon. Well, that was quicker than expected. I didn't know what I was gonna get when I opened the box or whatever, but as you saw, it was a pretty much click together type of system, and it's a pretty compact, nice Wagon, you know, for groceries, for outings, you know, that's what I'm going to use it for, things like that. But you guys stay tuned. I'm going to be having another bed coming. You know, you guys go watch the loft bed that I put together. Like I said, watch my other videos. I'm going to be having more craft things coming. I'm just trying to get it together, y'all. But I'll see you guys later, and thank you for watching. And come again.